Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Pusheen wearing a rain jacket with cute baby ducklings. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's first start off by drawing Pusheen on the bottom left. We'll start with an angle curve for the top of the head. Now from the left, let's curve it up and then down for the first ear. And the same thing on the right, but we're going to curve it and make it a little bit shorter like this. And now let's close it off at the bottom with a curve. Now let's hop inside and draw the face. From the top of the head, let's draw an angled line down and curve it back up. And the same on the right and on the left. Now let's move down and draw the mouth. Let's draw a curve down to the left and down to the right. Next, let's add the eyes with 2 circles. And now let's color both of them in black. Next, let's hop over and draw the whiskers. Let's draw 2 curves on the right side and 2 on the left. And that's it for the head. Next, let's draw the rain jacket. Let's start on the right side of the face and let's draw a small line out. Then let's curve it back down and under the face like this. And then another curve on the left side. Next, underneath in the center, let's draw a line down. Then at the bottom, let's add a small circle. Another line down. Another small circle. And then one more line down again. Now let's hop over on the left side and let's draw a curve down for the side of the jacket. And then for the other side, let's hop back up to the top and let's draw a curve over to the right and then curve it down. Now let's close off the bottom by curving each of the sides into the center. And lastly, for the jacket, let's add a pocket. Inside, let's draw a line across and then a curve underneath. Next, let's move underneath and draw the bottom of the body. Let's step in and let's draw a curve across. And now let's move under again and draw the feet. Let's start under on the left side and let's draw a line down, curve it out and back in, and then one more line for the other side. Now let's draw another foot next to it on the right. And now let's leave a gap and draw 2 more on the back here. And lastly, for Pusheen, let's add the tail. On the right side, let's draw a curve up and then curve it back in. And then add 4 curves inside for the stripes. And that's it for Pusheen. Next, let's add the ducklings. On the right here, let's draw the head with a circle. And now let's leave a gap and let's draw 2 more heads. And make sure you leave enough room for each duckling. Now inside each head, let's draw a black circle for the eye. Next, let's draw the beaks. Let's start with 2 bumps on the left side. Now let's hop down and draw the body. From the bottom right of the head, let's draw a curve out like this. Now let's hop back under the head and draw a curve up to close off each body. Now inside, let's draw the wing. We'll start with a curve at the top and then curve it back up to a point. And lastly, underneath each duckling, let's add 2 lines down for the legs. And that's it for the ducklings. Next, I'm going to move up and draw some clouds. Let's start above on the top here and let's draw a curve. And then 2 more curves coming from the sides. Another one going out on each side. And then 3 bumps underneath. And now let's draw another cloud in the same way on the left. And then 1 more on the right side. And that's it for this Pusheen with cute baby ducklings. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!